Okay, in my previous video, I told you how to create an alarm clock using Python. Today we are going to modify that alarm clock. I told you that alarm clock rings until the user presses a button. So we are going to add this functionality to our alarm clock today. So let's get started. So guys, we are in our computer screen right now. This is the thing we have written in our previous video. So let me just tell you that we are going to use a module, the keyboard module, which we are going to use to detect key press. Actually key press. Okay, for example, when I press the Q, it says that you have pressed the Q key. Okay, this is how it works. So to install the keyboard module, you need to type in your terminal pip install keyboard like this. It will be installed in just a couple of seconds. Till then, let us just wait for it. After it gets installed in your system, you need to the first work is to just import your keyboard module in your project, and next is, after this if condition, if write a if and then keyboard dot is pressed, and in the parenthesis write the key which it will detect the key press. Okay, you have to give a specific key for it to detect. For example, we are giving the shift key here. Shift key is a harmless key. If you give any alphanumeric key, then it can be typed anywhere when you try to execute this command. Okay, so give a colons and then just press a tab here so that it will be indented. Now let us just click on the run button. It is saying me to enter the time in hours. Now is 1 and the time is 24 and it is PM. So it is ringing again and again. Okay, since this is in loop, let me just press the shift key to stop it. So now I am pressing the shift key, so it has stopped. Okay, this is how it works. But this will work for only 1 minute till alarm hour and alarm minute is equals to date time dot now. Okay, so we need to there is a snooze option there in the alarm clock. We are going to make it in our next video. So to see that video, click on the video on the left, and the video on the right is the automating Google Meet using Python video. Choose any one of them fast.